Asterisk, the 2025 Chevrolet El Camino in Azter Gold is back, and it's rewriting the rules of modern muscle utility with a futuristic twist that pays tribute to a legendary past. What we're looking at today is not just a car, not just a truck. This is an icon reborn for a new generation. The El Camino has always walked that fine line between style and strength, and this 2025 model takes that DNA to an entirely new level. Let's dive deep into what makes this beast so incredibly special. Asterisk, starting off with the exterior. That shimmering Azter Gold paint job isn't just for show, it reflects the legacy of Chevrolet's boldest moves. The body has been sculpted with aerodynamic intent while still honoring the classic silhouette we all know and love. You've got wide fenders, a lowered stance, and a long flatbed that isn't just functional, it's futuristic. Chevrolet has integrated adaptive lighting up front with laser LED headlamps that morph based on your driving conditions. The grille is wide, menacing, and Activate opens and closes to optimize airflow and boost performance on demand. This is engineering meets attitude. Asterisk, roll around to the back and you'll notice the tailgate isn't traditional. It's fully digital, featuring a built-in screen for customizable messages or even tailgate mode for your next car meet. The LED taillights wrap around with that signature Chevy boomerang design, giving it a light show that turns heads the moment the sun goes down. The bed, reinforced carbon fiber with hidden storage compartments and modular rail systems. This El Camino isn't just a street king, it's a utility weapon for creators, builders, and adventurers. Asterisk, under the hood, it's all power and precision. We're talking about a twin-turbocharged 5.2-liter V8 engine pushing out a monstrous 670 horsepower. Paired with a 10-speed dual-clutch transmission, this El Camino is built to eat up highways and burn rubber at the track. But Chevrolet didn't stop there. An optional hybrid assist motor adds instant torque off the line, giving it not only savage acceleration but also a touch of eco-smart performance. 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds. That's no joke. Asterisk, now step inside. Because the interior is where modern luxury meets retro cool. You're greeted with a cockpit that wraps around you like a fighter jet. The seats are diamond-stitched suede and premium leather, ventilated, heated, and even memory calibrated to your exact posture. The dash is a full-length digital OLED display, customizable from analog gauges to race-style HUDs. You can go old school or all out. Asterisk, the infotainment system. A 15-inch floating touchscreen powered by the latest Chevy Connect OS with 6G connectivity, real-time traffic, and even integrated drone control. That's right, you can deploy a compact drone from the bed and view aerial shots live on the display. Perfect for vloggers, off-road explorers, or anyone who wants that next-level tech flex. Asterisk, audio. You're looking at a 19-speaker Bose Performance surround system with adaptive acoustics. It tunes itself to your drive style, whether you're cruising, launching, or chilling. And the ambient lighting reacts to both your playlist and driving mood, turning every ride into a show. Asterisk, Chevy also nailed the tech safety game. You've got AI lane assist, 360-degree navigation, self-parking mode, autonomous highway drive, blind spot radar, and even biometric security. Start this machine with your fingerprint or face scan. No keys needed. Asterisk, now let's talk suspension and handling. Magnetic Ride 5.0 with real-time damping means every bump disappears under you. It self-adjusts to how you drive. Take a corner hard and it stiffens instantly. Coast down the beach and it floats like butter. Optional airlift mode lets you raise the ride height for steep driveways or trail adventures, all from the touchscreen or voice command. Asterisk, one of the coolest features, the dual mode exhaust with custom tuning. You get quiet stealth in urban zones, and the moment you hit the open road, it roars like thunder, deep, throaty, and angry. It's got that American muscle soul, just smarter, meaner, and more refined. Asterisk, for the modifiers out there, Chevy knows the culture. This 2025 El Camino comes with a factory-approved mod kit system bolt-on aero kits, wide body options, racing brakes, LED underglow packs, and digital EQ tuning access. All warranty safe, all next level, customizable. So what are we really talking about here? The 2025 El Camino Azter Gold is more than just a return, it's a resurrection done right. It's power, style, tech, and attitude wrapped in a body that turns every street into a runway. Whether you're hauling, racing, or flexing at a car show, this is the one vehicle that lets you do it all without compromise. Asterisk. Subscribe now to Auto Upgrade Nation for more insane rides, mods, and futuristic machines. This is just the beginning, stay tuned because the next wave of legends is rolling in hot. Asterisk.